Let us study about the average value of an alternating current. For any circuit, we know well that average current in a circuit we can write as I average is equals to delta Q by delta T if in a duration delta T a total charge delta Q passes through it. If there is a time varying current, say we are given a function of current as a function of time. Say there is a function for current as a function of time, and say we wish to calculate the average value of current between time t1 to t2. Then the area under this curve from t1 to t2 will give us the total amount of charge flow delta q, which is written as integration of I dt from t1 to t2. And the average current for a time function or for a time varying current is this we can now write as I average. Here we are calculating the average from time t1 to t2. This we can write as integration from t1 to t2 I dt divided by t2 minus t1. This delta q by delta t. So this is the way how we define the average value for any current. We can write as 1 by delta t integration from t1 to t2 I dt. This is the way by which we can calculate the average current for any circuit. But you must also understand that if in a circuit a direct current is flowing, and we know the value of I dc never changes with time if it is a pure direct current. So here in this equation for any circuit between any duration, you can see the average value of current is always equal to the value of DC current because it never changes with time. So for any direct current circuit, total amount of charge flow we can directly calculate as charge flow due to a DC is this delta Q we can always write as I DC multiplied by the duration delta T. Whereas in case of alternating current, the area we can calculate and using which we can find out the average value of the current. As just now we have studied that average value of an AC current can be given as 1 by delta T integration from T1 to T2 I dt. Now using this concept we can also define one important parameter related to average value. Let's first write down that mean or average value of AC is equal to that DC value due to which in a circuit same charge flows which flows due to AC in same duration. Let's first analyze this concept mathematically. If we consider a duration delta t which is from t2 minus t1 or it is from t1 to t2, we have two currents. One is I which is given as a function of time and other is a DC current. Due to both of these we can calculate the charge flow due to IDC is this can be written as delta Q which is equals to IDC multiplied by T2 minus T1. And if we calculate the charge flow due to I which is the time varying current, this can be written as delta Q is equals to integration of I dt from T1 to T2. You can see if both of these charges are equal, we can write I dc multiplied by T2 minus T1 as equals to integration of I dt from T1 to T2. Here you can see the value of DC current is equals to 1 by T2 minus T1 integration from T1 to T2 I dt. Here you can see this is exactly the average value. That's what I have written over here. Let's read it out once again. Mean or average value of AC, this average value, is equal to that DC value due to which in a circuit same charge flows which flows due to AC in same duration. So for a fixed duration, if a charge flows due to a DC current, if the same charge flows due to the given AC current, then the DC value can also be regarded as the average value of this AC. So you must be very careful, and this phenomenon will also help you out in analyzing different numericals related to average value of an AC.